we should never have gotten into this place. And
Senator Jeanne Shaheen was one of a small number of Democrats who voted with Republicans earlier this year to avoid a government shutdown. Now, she's working behind the scenes with her GOP colleagues to try to reach a deal that could end the current government shutdown, pointing out that Affordable Care Act subsidies Democrats are fighting for largely benefit states that voted for President Donald Trump.
his pollster, John McLaughlin, has said if the GOP doesn't fix this, they're in real trouble come next November.
If Republicans aren't going to negotiate, though, what is the point of continuing the shutdown, the financial uncertainty for government workers, and the interruption to government services?
Well, I continue to believe that we ought to be able to do both. We ought to be able to get government open, keep it open, and we also ought to be able to make sure that people can afford their health insurance.
Health insurance costs are set to spike with the expiration of the tax credits under the ACA, but the consequences of the government shutdown are beginning to compound as well.
Are Democrats just waiting for things to get worse in hopes that it will bring Republicans to the table?
I think what we're hoping is that we can come to some agreement among members that we can then present to leadership and say, look, this is something that we think we ought to be able to agree to. Now let's vote on it.
But if President Trump intervenes and tells them not to do it, what happens?
Well, that's the challenge, and that's why I say it's really important for the president to be involved in the discussion, because there are a lot of people, particularly in the House, where Speaker Johnson has kept the House out of session since September. They want to hear what the president has to say.
Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.